Hey everyone, Sophia here from my great challenge. Yes, it happened again. I let the house go. That's right. Comment all you want. My fault. Let the house go. It's okay. I just finished the dining room. You see that? I'm going to do the living room. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm just going to do the living room in one shot. You're going to see that as a, what do you call it? Fast motion, I guess. Most important thing today is Scott is on his way back. He went to get a rug doctor. I had requests. Folks wanted to see whether or not the rug doctor really works because they see it at the supermarket and they don't know whether or not it's worth the, what is it, $45 to $70 rental that it costs. I have all the cleaner already from the last time, from last September when I did this rug. So I don't have to buy that. So it's just going to be the rental today. So that's good. So we're going to spend most of our time looking at the rug before and after and see whether or not the rug doctor works. So let me show you the state of the living room because it's pretty bad. We had people over yesterday. We had a party and stuff. So it kind of got messed up, and plus kids, dogs, you name it. This is why, yes, this is why the rug needs to be cleaned. Yeah, you comfortable? So we got dog hair, we got stains, we got you name it, traffic, regular wear and tear on the rug, and that's okay. I don't care. It's gonna get cleaned, so let's get going. The living room, we have kids stuff here. We have one dog here who's happy to be on camera. We got computer that needs to be removed. We have cushions that need to be put back. We got soda that's left. We have a bunch of stuff here. The chairs stink. I need to either reupholster or find covers or get rid of them. I'd like to get rid of them personally. There's stuff that needs to be taken care of here. I'm going to quickly dust all the surfaces, and yeah, the clock needs to be reset because I let it, well, I think it was working yesterday, so I guess it just stopped, so I have to rewind it. Here's the dining room. It's all clean. The closet over there, I need to put stuff back in, and that's about it. So let me put the camera in a good angle so you can see me do all this work. I'm gonna do it really fast because it's not a lot. It's just a matter of picking up and dusting, and then we'll get to the rug doctor. Here I am. Let's get going. Are you guys getting motivated by these videos? Because I know I am when I watch other people clean. So let's me get going. I guess I'm gonna start with decluttering. Yes, hello, I see you. Okay. It's done. Took 20 minutes. I got everything done. I thoroughly thoroughly vacuumed the rug because you have to do that before you do the rug doctor. But I dusted and cleaned all the wood surfaces, including the mantle. All the frames have been dusted this little side table here. If I have time, I will do the rug doctor on the sofa. All of this here has been dusted, reset the clock, dusted the curio cabinet on the outside. The inside doesn't need to be done because I did that in one round of Fly Lady, I think in February or March. I think it was March. So you can see it's clean. I don't need to do it, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, so I'm still doing the Fly Lady here and there and taking care of stuff. It's just once in a while I just let go stuff, and that's okay. We will survive. Took less than 20 minutes actually, and the living room is pretty much back to zero. So I'm waiting for Scott. He's going to bring the rug doctor, and we're going to do the rug. They have a upholstery attachment. Hopefully you remember to take it. If he did, then I'll do the sofa. I guess that's him. And the ottoman, and then we'll call it a day. I can't do the chairs because the chairs are covers, and underneath they can deconstruct it. So I mean, really what I need to do is get new chairs. But with the dogs and everything, not now. We're gonna live with those for a while, and then change that later on. If you have pets, you know what I mean. Anyway, so I'll see you in a bit when Scott comes back with the rug doctor. Okay, so here is the rug doctor. You get it at the store. It's for rental, and basically you have, yeah, I know, Electra. You put the clean water. No, hold on, this is dirty water bucket. Okay, so you basically what you do is that you fill this with clean water. I'm gonna open it for you so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, and this one is not too dirty. Alright, so you fill this up with water and soap, and the area down here, I'm gonna pull it so you can see. Okay, so it's got brushes and whatnot. And basically what you do is that you go in straight lines, and it cleans, brushes, and vacuum the water back into the tank. And this is the tank right here that gets all the dirty water. So let's see how dirty the rug is. I still have up some of that Rug Doctor Oxy Deep Cleaner. Now, just for reference purposes, I just need to let you know this is not a white rug. This is a beige rug. So don't expect the rug to come out super white, because it won't. This is not a, again, it's not white or ivory. This rug is actually beige. So it looks dirty. I know it's dirty, but even when it's clean, it doesn't look white. So it doesn't look like a clean rug. That's okay, I got it for free, I don't care. So I'm gonna do half and half. We're gonna do this area here. So I'm not gonna touch the one over here, and I'm gonna do this area here, and we're gonna see how well it cleans. So this is how it works basically. You turn on the carpet cleaner, turn on the vacuum, and then there's a red button here. So what you do is that you pull back holding the red button, and then it cleans and vacuum at the same time. And then when you're done and you're at the end of your row, you just tilt it, move forward, get to your next area, kind of like if you were mowing your lawn, and keep going. So it's gonna be loud. Sorry. at the color of the water. Look how filthy this rug is. Okay, so this is the area I just did, and this is the area I didn't do. So I don't know if you can tell the difference. I think it shows on the red. So this is pretty much a before, and this is an after. Can you see the difference? Now, again, this area here was done. This area here was not done. Because the rug is beige, you're not going to see much of a difference, but it definitely totally deodorized it, and I think it's making a difference. So if I show you a close-up, okay, so this area here is the flower, and it's dirty, okay, and this is the area that's clean, and I went 3 times on this. The only thing is that it does require you stop and refill the tank with clean water and soap, the soap that they provide you, so that's all right. I'm just gonna keep going, finish this whole area here is very dirty, so I'm just gonna finish the whole rug, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so I'm done. Scott says we gotta let it dry. Well, it's pretty much dry because it's vacuum. When you touch it, it's really barely wet, but it smells much better. Yeah, okay. Go ahead and mess up the rug again. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Okay, good girl. So I did like 5 times here on the traffic, and the area where the feet goes right here, and this area right here. And it looks lighter, but it's still, Scott says it's got to dry a little bit more. But otherwise, I am done. So I'm just gonna look at how dirty the water is. Can you see it? Yeah, I emptied out all of my soap anyway, so it's not like I can continue. But I needed to do this. First of all, it deodorizes the whole room, and then I think the rug looks much cleaner. Though there's shadows and stuff, so I don't know if you can see, but that's that. So living room is back in order. It smells real nice. Plus I added a candle. I got the chairs. I put them facing forward instead of sideways or catty corner, whatever. Makes no difference to me. I don't like them. I can't wait to get rid of those chairs. But anyway, so this is done. And then the rug is looking pretty clean, actually. So the rug doctor does work, but it is elbow grease. Like, it's not like you're gonna go and do it one time and you don't have to do it again. You know, you have to do several passes in the same area, and then you constantly have to go and fill up the tank with the soapy water, but that's all right. And I am leaving you with my Mother's Day flowers, which I just received, so that's really nice of Scott. So this is Scott's bouquet, and the kids got me yellow roses, which they know are my favorites. Thank you, Scott.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. So I'm done. This was a busy Saturday, you guys. I am going downstairs to the basement where my quilting is awaiting. I'm probably going to film something else tomorrow. I don't know what. We'll find out when we get there. Until then, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like my videos and this video. Don't forget to subscribe right here in the corner. Happy Mother's Day. I will see you later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.